Have you done your PMS yet? Honda Periodic Maintenance Service. Honda PMS is done only 2 times a year. PMS keeps your car in tip-top shape, ensuring your family's safety. More facts about Honda PMS. Low-mileage cars do not need to be serviced every 6 months. This is a myth, because truth is, mileage does not reflect your car's present condition. Even if your car is seldom used, it affects oil properties, and even if you drive short trips, lubricants do not reach optimum performance. Different factors impact your car's condition, like heavy traffic. Severe road conditions can cause premature deterioration of moving parts, and weather conditions causes breakdown of some parts. Follow regular PMS to avoid the unexpected of critical damage. Schedule PMS every 6 months or when engine oil monitor system light turns on. Another myth: car parts do not need to be replaced regularly. Truth is, PM parts are designed to be replaced based on required interval, as delaying replacement may compromise safety and roadworthiness and may cause unwanted expenses. Trust your Honda service advisor because they know what's best for your vehicle. And last myth: Honda PMS is expensive. On the contrary, Honda PMS saves money and time because we only use genuine parts, making maintenance less frequent. Other car dealers have PMS schedules up to 4 times a year, while Honda is only 2 times a year. That means less visit and less cost in 1 year. With Honda PMS, you're assured of quality with our diagnostic hardware, technical expertise, and genuine parts. Book an appointment for hassle-free services. Schedule your appointment at your preferred time with minimal waiting time, and we'll complete the job on time. Now myths are corrected. Truth is revealed. Car care is always better than repair. Remember, Honda PMS is 2 times a year or every 6 months. Less visit saves money and time. Book an appointment for hassle-free services. Book your next PMS with Honda today.